Yo, what is up, you guys? And before we start this video, make sure to subscribe if you guys are new. Make sure to turn on my post notifications so you guys are always notified when I make a new video. Leave a like if you guys enjoy, and let's get on with the video. What is up, you guys? It is the Gaming Homicide here, and today I'm going to be teaching you guys how to fully... Oh my god! Alright, what is up, you guys? It is the Gaming Homicide here, and sorry for that fail. Yeah, I was kind of stressed out, but yeah, today I'm going to be teaching you guys how to fully clean your computer to run at its best performance. Now I'm going to be leaving two links in the description. They are actually, they're Malwarebytes and CCleaner. They really do help clean your computer, but we're going to be using those last. And if you do have a Windows computer, then you obviously do have Windows Defender. But yeah, let's get into it. So the first thing that you want to do is hit the Windows button and R. And what you want to do from here is type in prefetch. Now I purposely didn't clean my computer like I normally should, solely to record this video. So yeah, you just want to hit enter, and it's gonna load up all this stuff. Now this is just unneeded files, you don't need them at all. And all you want to do from here is hit Control A and Control D, and Control A is highlight all, and Control D is obviously delete, and it's just gonna go straight to your recycling bin, and that's where CCleaner will come in at the end. You just want to skip because you obviously can't delete those files, and you just want to click X again. You want to hit the Windows button and R again and type in temp. Trust me, guys, you don't need any of these files. That's the funny thing, because when I first saw this, I thought I would need these files, but you don't. And like I said, Control A, Control D again, so I did it way too fast. You want to hit Control R, not Control R, Windows button and R, and you want to hit Control 5, TEMP, temp, and Control 5 again, and click OK. And this is what's going to load up. Just hit Control A, Control D, and you're done from that part. Now this is where CCleaner is going to come in. Like I said, I'm going to leave both of these links in the description below, so you guys can do exactly, you guys can copy the exact routine that I do from here. You just want to load up CCleaner. Now I did get a code to get the professional version, even though it says unregistered and everything, but don't worry about that. Even if you do have the basic version, you can still do everything that I'm doing now. So all you want to do from here is actually just click analyze, and what it's basically doing is analyzing all the junk on your computer, and it's just gonna it's gonna take a few minutes actually. And there's also something else on my Google Chrome that you guys can use too, if you guys use Google Chrome, to clean your tabs off, or not your tabs, but all the unneeded stuff on Google Chrome here. But yeah, once this is complete, you just want to hit run cleaner. Now it shouldn't take that long, but if this is your first time doing it, it may take 1 to 2 minutes. But I do this on a regular basis, maybe every once a week. But yeah, so this is gonna take should take at least a minute max. And once we're done with that, we're gonna move on to registry, and after that you're pretty much done, and then I'm gonna move on to another program. So this is gonna take a minute, so I'm just gonna cut it probably right here. You thought I was gone. Okay, yeah, so right now we're at 57%, and I'm just gonna talk my way through this because I don't have time to cut out. Yeah, once it's done, it took 46 seconds, almost a minute, and you just want to go down to registry, scan for issues. Now every time I do this, it does end up getting up issues, especially if I don't do this for like a week straight. But yeah, so this shouldn't take long at all. I don't know why my computer is acting so freaking retarded, but yeah, so I'm just gonna let this load. Actually, it's at 17%, and I might cut this out here too. So yeah, I'm gonna leave. Hello guys. Okay, so yeah, now we're back, and all it says is obsolete software, key, core, JPEG, HKCU software, nobody cares. You just want to hit fix, select the issues, no, fix the issue, close, and you're done with that. Now it really depends on you. If you have a Windows computer, I'm gonna actually do this last. The second link in my description, or first, doesn't really matter, how I ever feel. It's gonna be called Malwarebytes. Now I'm just gonna double click on this, and just come here, and yeah, it's gonna take a few seconds, maybe to a minute to load, but it does a lot to your computer, which I love. I only have the free version. I did have the premium version, but you know, I'm broke. So once you go, it's gonna load you up here, especially if you have the updated version. Just hit scan now, and that's going to scan, and that's gonna take a minute, so I'm not even gonna try and cut out anything. But yeah, once you come from here, you just want to go to Windows Defender. If you don't have Windows Defender and you have a Mac, you're out of luck. But you just want to hit right click, run a quick scan. It's gonna load up the Windows Defender software, and then once you get here, if it loads, because you know Windows really is bugging sometimes. Can you please load, please? Thank you. Okay, yeah, just right click, hit scan, and then this is what's gonna come after this. Now I'm not gonna wait till everything's done because this takes a long time and I don't have time. But yeah, once you're done here, this is probably gonna be the last way to clean your computer out. Actually no, I actually have another one. You just want to go to Google Chrome, and I really use this. I use this a lot actually. It helps me out. I think I've even used this on school on my account. But yeah, it's called Simple Clear, I'm pretty sure. Don't try and look up the name, because oh god, don't try and look up the name because it's not gonna come up at all. But yeah, it's like this. Once you load it up, it's gonna look like a little trash can because I'm trash. But yeah, just hit that if it decides to load up. I hope it does. Okay, I guess it doesn't want to. My computer's actually being slow. Alright, so in order to get it, actually I might just leave a link in the description, to be honest, because my computer just does not like to act smart. But yeah, you just want to go to apps. It's gonna load up from your Chrome apps. Unless it just doesn't want to load up, then I will simply end the video. But yeah, okay, yeah, this is gonna take a minute. Yep. Okay, you know what, yeah, I'll leave all the links in the description in order to download them so you guys can clean your computer as much as I am. Sorry that this video was so unprofessional, but I'm trying to be funny and I'm trying to show you guys how I actually am when I'm not recording, and my computer is just gonna act dumb. But this is the last option actually, so I just hit defrag, and then this is defrag and optimize drives. This, yeah, just, you could either look this up or look defrag if you're lazy like me. You just want to open that up, and yeah, you want to select your main drive, which is my Windows C drive. I don't have it named. You just want to hit analyze. That's going to take a few minutes, and then after that you just want to hit optimize. Okay, yeah, you just want to hit optimize, but I'm not going to do that now because that just takes way too long and I have 2 programs running up. But yeah, thank you guys for watching. It has been the Gaming Homicide here. Please leave a like and subscribe if you guys enjoyed, and make sure to subscribe if you guys are new, and put in the comment section what you want me to do next. I might just make a whole separate video of asking you guys what you want me to do, because to be honest, I'm running out of ideas. But yeah, like I said, thank you guys for watching. I will see you guys in the next video. Peace out, and yeah, goodbye, niggers.